Hey everyone, some new updates from our tools product that I'm going to show to you here basically. One of the problems that we're trying to solve is obviously make it a little bit faster and easier for you to have the right conversation with the right customer. And knowing that you want to have some data that is easy and quickly accessible. So what you're going to notice are some new updates here that are appearing. Um, we are now displaying the name, the stage of the lead, as well as the age of the lead in the original source, all in one little location, which is directly right here. Now, if you have the API connected, you also will see the total talk time. Now, if you have less than a 2 minute total talk time with that particular customer, which pretty much indicates that you never had a meaningful conversation with that particular person, the icon is going to be red. So this just gives you a quick way as you're kind of sorting through the pages and looking at all of your contacts to have this visual cue of, did I connect with this particular customer? Now, it will give you the total of the running total of the talk time that you have, just like you can see on Follow Up Boss. But what we're doing that's a little bit different is we're also going to show you the total number of calls and the total talk time in each call direction. So this makes it a little bit easier than basically the data that normally you would have here under calls. So that is going to help you out quite a bit with that. So the idea is that you're getting all of the pertinent information about a customer. Was I able to communicate with them? Did I talk to them? When was the last time I talked to them? The stage and everything in one really tight location. Plus, you're going to be able to see all of the information about the last property that they looked at on the map view, all in one tight location. Now, obviously, you still have the ability to pull up the Zestimate for whatever property that they were looking at, and all of those kind of details, as well as all of the legal information. So you have access to APN and all of that kind of data. Now, the other thing that is brand new, you'll notice here that this particular customer was looking as an example on this test in Lozano. So our other update in this particular one is our call scripts. Now, in this call script, what this is basically designed to do is to help you and your agents after you've looked at, did I get a hold of this particular customer? And now what do I say, or how do I get ready for this particular phone call? So what the AI call scripts are basically doing is generating outbound call scripts for your agents to be able to know what to say on that initial outbound call. Now, we have really improved this quite a bit. So you're going to see in this case, the customer's name is Joe. So it's hyper personalized to them. And so it says, "Hi, Joe, wanted to reach out because I noticed that you were interested in a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home on Los Santos Way in Buena Park. Is this a property still interested to you?" So you can see this is hyper personalized outbound call script for basically your agents to be able to use, or to at least give them ideas to be able to have a better conversation with those particular customers. So we'll give you a couple different options, as well as basically the objections that are most likely going to come in. So using those objections, if they say, "Hey, I'm just looking right now," your agent now already knows what to say. So the idea is that you will be able to see what are the properties they're interested in. Did I call them? How old the lead is? Did they call me back? Are they a caller? Which property are they interested in? View the details of that particular property. In other words, be able to see the street view all directly here. And then after that, generate the call script and know exactly what to say to that particular customer. This will help your VAs, your ISAs, your newer agents be much more effective and be able to convert transactions at a much higher amount, because we're having better conversations with the customer in less amount of time. Thank you very much. Hopefully you found this helpful, and we look forward to talking to you soon.